welcome back to our channel. Today's video, as you see, is going to be an unboxing of my FabFitFun subscription box. This is a seasonal box. It comes about 4 times a year, and this is the fall edition. I, for some reason, always get my box late. I do apologize. I know you've seen thousands of unboxings in the last couple of weeks, but I always like to share with my subscribers because you receive so many awesome items in this subscription. I really do enjoy this subscription. At this point in time, I used to have a lot of subscriptions, guys, but I've narrowed it down to about 2. I have this one and I have my Walmart subscription, and I always feature these on my channel with you guys. It has a purpose, it has a theme going on, it's geared towards the season, so it usually has items that you can really use, you know, and everyone loves that. They love to have items in their subscription that they can use on a daily basis. So without further ado, I want you to hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, because I would love you guys to see all the wonderful videos that are going to be up and coming in the next couple of weeks, because, you know, the seasons are coming in, holidays are coming in, and I just love to put out videos for you guys. So we're going to jump into the video, and I'm going to share with you everything that I have in this box. FabFitFun has awesome packaging. As you can see, guys, it's fall related. It says grateful for every little thing. Like I said, it is the fall 2018 edition of this subscription. So we're going to jump out and start with this little magazine here that is always supplied in each of the boxes. It just gives you a lot of information about the products and, you know, where they come from. And also on this is the most important page here. I hope you guys can see that. It just gives you a brief description of the items that are provided in the box, what they cost. It gives you information on how to use the products. So this is the main pages that I concentrate on when I do my unboxing with you guys. But it also has a lot of other information in this magazine, so I really like to take my time and really, you know, look inside and, you know, just get all the information that is provided in the magazine. So we're going to flip back, and we're just going to concentrate on this 2 pages here. And each box is not valued at the same amount. It depends on the items that are selected in your box. As you see, it can be up to $375.94, or it can be valued at $285.97. Like I said, it depends on the items that you receive in your subscription itself. So I'm just going to set this aside here. It has a coupon here for HelloFresh, and it is a $50 gift card, which is really neat. And then it also has another card here from FabFitFun, and then it has another one from Luna. These are some I guess some healthy snacks, and we're just gonna open it up and let you guys see how cute that packaging is. It has a little leaf there that says share to win FabFitFun. I'm just gonna open that out, and right off the top, guys, I see so many items that I'm already excited about. The first thing that caught my eye, and I guess it's because it is pink, it is the original beauty blender. I personally don't own one of these myself. I do own like the knockoff brand of beauty blender, so I'm kind of excited about really getting the original one. And the cost of this item is $20. And like I said, they give you tips on how to use the product. The tip for this item is before using, wet the sponge with water and squeeze out excess liquid. So like I said, I'm very excited. I heard people talk about this all over YouTube and in magazines and everything, so I'm really excited about receiving one for the first time. I know I'm late, but I'm excited about receiving this in my subscription. The next item is this umbrella here. It is very stylish, and it is the Catherine Landerino. I hope I'm not killing that person's name, but the umbrella itself is very, very stylish. Take it out the packaging. This will be so neat to, you know, leave in your locker at work, or maybe carry in your car, or maybe around in your tote bag when you're traveling. Like I said, it's look like it's very well made. I love the style of it, the colors, because you know, white and black are some of my favorite colors. Let's see how much this costs. So the price of this umbrella was $40. And the tip is to ensure your umbrella dries quickly. Do not wrap it up when it's wet. So you could have gotten the, as you see here, you could have gotten the umbrella, or you could have gotten the earbuds. I kind of wish I had gotten the earbuds. I saw a lot of people do reviews, and I kind of wish I had gotten the earbuds, but that's okay. I did get the umbrella, and like I said, it is cute, and I can use it. The next item is this Skin & Company Blue and Capri Shower Gel. And it comes in 7.7 fluid ounces. It is a shower gel. So let me smell it and see how it smells. It has an okay smell. Not one I would really, you know, choose, but it smells okay. And the cost of this shower gel was $22. And the tip is you can use this shower gel. You can use this as a shower gel or to create a bubble bath. So that's neat that you can use it both ways. The next item I see is just I think a little something extra. Is this Luna bar here. This is the cashew butter filled with fruit and nuts. So this would be a nice snack to drop down in your purse or your gym bag. And like I said, this is just a sponsored item. It's just a little bonus. So that was a neat little bonus. So the next item is Glam Girl, and I have heard so many things about their products. This is another item or product item that I have never tried before, so I'm very, very excited about trying this product here. It is a deep cleanse mask. It kind of like bubbles up, I think it is, when I seen people do reviews. So it kind of like bubbles up on your skin. The cost of this is $18. They did give you 2 in your box. And the tip is to place the mask on top of damp skin, leave on for approximately 3 minutes. Once removed, massage the remaining bubbles and rinse. So I'm really, really excited. I have never tried any of the Glam Girl products, but like I said, I've heard so many great things about them. So I'm really, really excited to give this a try because I do love face masks. I have featured those in other videos that I have done. So, you know, face masks is one of my go-to beauty products. And the next item is this yoga detox bath. And this is, I guess you could use this to do a detox bath. And you do get a good amount. It's 16 ounces. So let me see how much this costs. It was $39.95, and the tip is to pour 3/4 to 1 cup of salt into your bath and soak for about 10 to 20 minutes. So it's just like a little detox bath thing you can use if you're having, you know, like a spa night at home. And like I said, you do get a good amount of product in the packaging. The next item is a towel, a kitchen towel. It is in a white and gray color stripe design. I hope you guys can see that. It is from Simply Whimsical. The cost of this towel was the cost of these 2 tea towels was $14.99. The tip is to hang or lay flat to dry after use. I'll open the package up so you guys can see how the pattern is and the color of the tea towels. And you do get 2, as you see, and it comes in a gray and white color with a stripe design. So that is really, really neat. It was nice that they featured an item that you can use in your kitchen. Like I stated before, that's one of the things that I really do love about FabFitFun. They just, you know, give you items that you can use, you know, for beauty, for your home. Like I said, it's a great lifestyle subscription. So the next item is a cream cleanser. It has olive leaf plantain extract. I think I'm saying that right. Let me open it up so you guys can see how it look out the packaging. And you get 3.38 fluid ounces. You know, I really love beauty products, facial products. I love to try them out to see what works best. And I really am glad that they included this in the subscription. And you also could have got different things. Some members got the cleanser. I got this one here, which is the pink grapefruit and Goloman extract. Oh, is that what that said on mine? I don't think that's the one that I got. That's similar to the one that I got, because mine says something else. It actually says, oh, I actually got the, no, you know what guys, I'm wrong. I got the Hydro Restore Cream Cleanser with the olive leaf and plantain extract. That's the one I got. So this one is $49, and the tip is to massage gently onto skin and rinse off with warm water. But still, for $50, it better do some miracles too. So I have 2 items left. The next item is a brush set, and I'm so glad I got the brush set because I saw everyone, you know, showing their crown brush set. So I was excited. I was like, yes, I can't wait to, you know, get my box so I can see just how nice they look in person. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys so you can see. And the cost of the brush set was $75. So you could have gotten a tote, which was valued at $128, or you could have gotten the brush set. So I'm really excited about the brush set, because that's what I really want. Because I have a lot of totes, but you know, a girl can never get too many totes, so I would have been excited if I've gotten a tote too. The tip for this is to mix 2 parts antibacterial dish soap and 1 part extra virgin olive oil for a DIY brush cleaner. Great tip, I think. So I'm gonna open this up real quick, and it comes in this little cute travel pouch here, and it opens up. These brushes feel great, guys. Awesome packaging and great detail to, you know, the design. I'm gonna pull this one out for you. There's an area indentation here where you can place your finger when you're doing application, so that's a nice detail. Like I said, the bristles feel really good, nice and soft, and I really like this. This would be great to take on my upcoming trip. It came in this neat travel case here, so it would fit great in my toiletry bag. So I'm excited about that. As you see, I'm always excited about anything that I get in my FabFit subscription. So I have one other item, and it is the French press coffee maker. And I think you could have gotten a teapot. You could have gotten either the teapot, which is right there in the corner, which I do drink tea. I drink tea and coffee. Or you could have gotten the French press. The cost of that is $22. The tip is to use filtered water. As you see, I got the Alfred French press. I think that's, oh yeah, Alfred French press. So this is the packaging here. And I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see how it looks. This is how it looks, guys. Very cute packaging, and on front it says, "But first, coffee." That is so neat. So this would go great in my kitchen, and I will be displaying it. Might do a coffee station for you guys using my new little coffee maker here. So guys, that was my last item. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.